Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 22nd. This is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the Euro Yen did break down on the daily, but so far it's very corrective, very sideways price action. I have my Fibonacci retracement on the last push down because if we do get a good Fib bounce, which we already kind of did, that could possibly be another sorting opportunity because the daily definitely did turn down. So keep an eye out for some shorts. Now, if it does, go beyond the 78% to the upside, we have to realize that the weekly trend is technically still up and that this move right here could actually just be a pullback to the last wave up. So we do have to be a little bit cautious. I would like to see some impulsive movements to the downside to really prove that we are going down in any significant way because, like I said, the very, very high time frames are definitely still in a uptrend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.